The 2026 Lexus RZ 550e represents a significant evolution in Lexus's electric vehicle lineup, introducing enhanced performance, innovative technology, and refined design elements, performance and powertrain. At the heart of the RZ 550EF Sport is a dual-motor setup, delivering a combined 402 horsepower, 300 kilowatts, enabling a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, acceleration in just 4.4 seconds. This marks a substantial improvement over previous models, positioning the RZ 550e as a formidable contender in the luxury electric SUV segment. Battery and range. Equipped with an upgraded 77 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, the RZ 550e offers an estimated WLTP range of approximately 450 kilometers, 280 miles. This enhancement addresses prior concerns about limited range, providing drivers with greater confidence for longer journeys. Steer-by-wire system and driving experience. One of the standout features is the introduction of a steer-by-wire system paired with a distinctive yoke steering wheel. This technology eliminates the mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the front wheels, allowing for variable steering ratios and a more responsive driving experience. Additionally, the interactive manual drive mode simulates traditional gear shifts with accompanying engine sounds, aiming to enhance driver engagement. Design and interior enhancements. The RZ 550EF Sport trim boasts exclusive exterior upgrades, including modified front and rear bumpers, brake ducts, and 20-inch aerodynamic wheels. Inside, the cabin features a sophisticated black and dark gray color scheme with blue stitching accents, complemented by laser-processed suede upholstery and dynamic ambient lighting. Charging and efficiency. Lexus has improved the RZ's charging capabilities, incorporating a battery preconditioning feature that reduces charging times by approximately 30 minutes. This enhancement ensures more efficient charging sessions, aligning with the demands of modern EV users. Conclusion. The 2026 Lexus RZ 550EF Sport signifies a notable leap forward in Lexus's commitment to electric mobility, blending performance, innovative technology, and luxury. Its advancements in range, power, and driver engagement features make it a compelling option for those seeking a premium electric SUV experience.